Hey everyone, I'm outside of here at MGM Classic Cars.com, and we just got this 1989 Chevrolet Camaro IROC Z28. It is a one owner certified Carfax, clean Carfax report, one owner from Kentucky. I do have the original window sticker. Pretty desirable collectible car, guys, with the 5.7, the T-top automatic overdrive. Beautiful car all around. Nice wheels, nice tires, nice paints, and nice gray cloth interior, as you can see there. T-tops are in great condition, guys. They are glass black T-tops. You can see those in my photos, in my photo shoot, if desired. Paint is super nice, guys, all around this particular iRock. As you can see, fun with the T-tops. I brought this car outside because the red really does pop, and I got a beautiful day today. But let's go for a test drive. I want you guys to check this out. Now, before I do that, I want to show you how clean this interior is. You got the power driver seat, power windows, power locks. Let's check out the engine compartment with the 5.7. Look how sweet this engine compartment is. This first original owner really kept this car in great condition. Listen, it wasn't hard. I mean, it wasn't easy to get this vehicle from this original owner. It was hard. There's your vehicle emissions showing the 5.7 liter on the upper left-hand corner. Your original sticker there for it being an original hood. And those stickers are all around the vehicle. All right, now we can go for a drive. Zooming in here, 67,596 original miles. And everything on the inside looks really good, boys. Let's fire this baby up. Alrighty. So this does have the overdrive transmission. We'll get past this noise on the landscaper here. He's doing my parking lot for us. So everything on my iRock works. I will put it through the service department, just a do a double take on it, just to make sure before it gets shipped out. Okay. Factory radio, air conditioning blows cold, power windows work, everything functions like it should. Trans feels super good on the car, and this thing is really smooth going down the road, guys. You can drive this car with one hand, one finger, really. Fog lights work, brakes feel great, doesn't pull left or right. Steering feels excellent, suspension feels tight. No weird noises going down the road. Even when you hit a bump, it doesn't pull to the right or left, if I didn't mention that. Beautiful car, beautiful inside. I love the T-tops. They are black and they are glass black T-tops. I do have those. You can see those in my photo if I didn't mention that earlier. This thing chirps second gear easily. That's just like a little bit more than a little bit less than half throttle, should I say. So MGM Classic Cars is located at 150 South Church Street in Addison, Illinois. We do welcome you guys to come out and check out the cars yourselves. But I know you're busy. That's why I do these videos. Nice and smooth. I'm gonna make a left here since it's a red light. We'll extend our drive video a little bit longer here. talk to you guys a little bit about the financing. If your credit score is like 640 to 770, you will need about $3,600 down. Good credit. Everything is based off your credit profile, guys. Your approvals are based off that. Rates start at about 8%, and we have low payments, long-term financing just to fit your budget as well. You can find that application at MGMClassicCars.com. And if you got a score of 775 and higher, call or text me and let me know that, and I'll put you in touch directly with my lender. That's a no money down option there, okay? And rates do start at about 8% these days. It's not bad. You can always refinance and get out of the loan, no prepayment penalty as well. All right. Great pickup. No hesitation. Brakes work well. Love this car, man. All right, guys. We're going to head back to MGMClassicCars.com, where you can find over 200 cars. We own all of them. There's no consignments here. We put our money where our mouth is, and I always say that. Buy with confidence, guys. We have over 500 five-star reviews. Buy with confidence. If you need delivery, call or text me with your zip code. My number is 847-848-1850. We're going to head back to the shop now, put the car in the lift, and take those underneath shots. Show you how clean this one-owner iRock really is. We'll talk soon. Bye-bye.